Today we're exploring the journey of Irina Gaidamachuk, the Russian serial killer known as the Satan in a Skirt. Her case sent shockwaves through the Ural region of Russia as she spent nearly a decade targeting the most vulnerable members of society through a deceptive, deadly ruse. So, where is Irina Gaidamachuk now? Let's find out. Irina Gaidamachuk's spree began in 2002 the city of Krasnoyarsk. Operating under a mask of kindness, she would pose as a social worker or a helpful neighbor to gain entry into the homes of elderly women. Once inside, she would murder her victims with a hammer or axe before stealing their meager life savings, sometimes as little as 1,000 rubles, to fund her severe alcohol addiction. For 8 years, she eluded a massive police task force, partly because investigators initially refused to believe a woman could be capable of such brutal violence. Her reign of terror finally ended in 2010, after a surviving victim was able to provide a description that led to her arrest. During her trial, Gaidamachuk confessed to 17 murders, though she expressed no remorse, claiming she only committed the crimes to provide for her children while feeding her addiction. In June 2012, she was sentenced to 20 years in prison, the maximum sentence allowed for a woman under Russian law at the time. The verdict sparked outrage among the victims' families, who felt that 2 decades was an insufficient punishment for the lives she had taken. Where is Irina Gaidamachuk now? As of now, Irina Gaidamachuk is incarcerated in a Russian penal colony, though she is nearing the final years of her sentence. Now 53 years old, she has served approximately 15 years of her 20-year term. Under the current Russian Penal Code, she is expected to be eligible for release in 2032, assuming she does not receive any additional time for disciplinary infractions. In 2025, her status has become a point of renewed discussion within the Russian legal system due to her potential eligibility for parole. However, as of late 2025, the Russian authorities have not granted any early release, citing the extreme nature of her crimes and a lack of rehabilitative progress. She remains under strict supervision, and recent reports from within the prison system suggest she has maintained a low profile among the inmate population. Irina Gaidamachuk has transformed from a terrifying local predator into one of Russia's most notorious female convicts. While she remains behind bars for now, the approaching date of her eventual release continues to be a source of anxiety for the community of Krasnoyarsk and the families of those she killed. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on high-profile criminal cases and where the perpetrators are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.